Hello there. So my Fabfitfun Fall 2020 box has arrived, and as we do each season, we are going to unbox this together and determine if the value of the products that I end up keeping and will be using from this box are worth the cost of the box. So I think that's just a more fair representation of whether the box is worth it. This video is in partnership with Fabfitfun, and I'm going to do something a little bit different this season than I have done in past seasons. Since you can customize some of the options in each box to tailor it for yourself, I'm going to show you the options that you have to choose from when you customize this fall's Fabfitfun box as I go through and show you what I picked for my own. Just in case you're not familiar with Fabfitfun, it is different from most other subscription boxes out there because it's seasonal instead of monthly, and they guarantee that each box will have over $200 worth of full-size fashion, beauty, fitness, and lifestyle products. Each box is normally $49.99, but you can get $10 off with my code that's going to be here on the screen as well as in the description box if you're in the US, Canada, or the UK. So let's go ahead and get into whether my box is worth what I paid for it. And I do pay for a box. I do get one sent to me from Fabfitfun, but I also pay for one that I give to a relative. So I'm also invested in seeing if these boxes are worth what we pay for them. So the first item that I noticed in my box was this scarfigan. That's what they're calling it. So it is a scarf cardigan crossover that's crafted with signature woven fabric that drapes beautifully over the shoulders. It is worth $85. It does feel very expensive and lush and soft. That's what I noticed right off the bat. So this is a category that all members could customize, and I'll get into the different levels of customization here in a minute. So you could have also chosen from a Beyond Yoga hidden pocket infinity scarf that was worth $59.95, or a Glossmetics hair removal device worth $59.99, Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare Alpha Beta Pore Perfecting and Refining Serum worth $65, Volition Beauty Celery Green Cream worth $55, or Erno Laszlo Pore Cleansing Clay Mask worth $48. And I picked this because I just felt like I would get the most use out of this. I really love cardigans and scarves and things like that for the fall, and this seems just really nice to throw on kind of for anything. Fabfitfun is picking for you for 3 different items in this box for all types of members, and this is one of those items. This is the Laundress Crease Release. Now, I will do anything I can do to keep from ironing. I'm a huge fan of Downy Wrinkle Release spray. I use it when I travel religiously to spray on my clothes and just let the wrinkles release, hence the name, and that is what this product is. This says it easily removes moderate wrinkles from clothing and fabrics, especially when ironing isn't an option, and it's worth $16. It has a nice herbal scent to it, nothing overpowering, nothing chemical-y or anything like that. I did use it on a t-shirt and it worked pretty well, so I will definitely be using this product. The other 2 options that Fabfitfun could pick for you are the Voish, I don't know how to say that, New York Pedicure in a Box Duo in Pumpkin Spice, or the Spongele Boxed Flower in Sweet Cedarwood. It's kind of a body wash infused sponge. Fabfitfun annual subscribers or select subscribers could customize 2 of the options in this box. Now, if you are a seasonal subscriber, Fabfitfun would choose these products for you. So I chose the Mason Tops glass water bottle with neoprene in turquoise. It says ditch the plastic and opt for this sleek glass bottle which holds up to 20 ounces. It's worth $35. The other choices in this category are Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel, $22, Skin and Company Roma Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream worth $28, Feel Beauty Renewed Pumpkin Walnut Facial Cleanser worth $28, Frank Body Original Coffee Scrub worth $16.95. I chose this because it seemed the most practical to me and like I would use it more than the other options, but I'm still kind of wondering how I would actually use this because 20 ounces isn't quite big enough for me for a water bottle. But I do love the flip top lid. I do love that it's glass, and the neoprene comes off, you know, pretty easily for this to be thrown in the dishwasher and whatnot. I'm just kind of trying to figure out how I'm going to use this. I'll go ahead and get the second and last select member item out of the way that I was able to choose because I'm an annual subscriber, and if you're a seasonal subscriber, it was chosen for you by Fabfitfun. This is the 8 Other Reasons Runway Clip Trio. It's just, you know, some hairpins. It's worth $32, and I really do think they're pretty cute. They're, you know, kind of marbly, and I don't know, I just thought it might help me out with holding my hair out of the way for various and sundry reasons. Editing Stephanie here. I completely forgot to give you the customization options for this grouping. Starting with the top left, we have the Liquid RX Stress Reliever 100% Natural Hair Oil for $75. And below that is the Hip Cutlery Set. Value is $14.99. And on the top right, we have the Harper & Ari Exfoliating Sugar Cubes in Juice Cleanse that retail for $16. And on the bottom right, we have the NCLA So Rich Cuticle Oil that retails for $18. I tend to pick practical things sometimes I know I will use when I'm doing my FabFitFun boxes. It's really just about what makes you happy because FabFitFun's mission is all about delivering happiness to everyone everywhere. So whether it's beauty or household or fitness or just, you know, practical things that make you happy, then that's great. This next section could be customized by anyone who subscribes to the box. And I chose the Jenny Bird Austin Cuff, and it comes in a little pouch like this. And I've kind of forgotten what I chose, and when I pulled it out, I was a little bit skeptical, but I actually think it's really cool looking. I went ahead and put it on just so I could show you what it looks like on. It's probably a little bit loose, but you can get the idea. Jenny Bird is a cool jewelry brand. I've liked a lot of her pieces. I just thought it looked kind of cool and like you could dress it up or dress it down, and I like the mixed metals as well. This is worth $135. So these are the other items that you could choose from. The first is the Jenny Bird Liana pendant, worth $115. Then we have the Vitamasks multivitamin mask set for $40. Nectar sunglasses, blue light blocking glasses in brown turquoise for $45. I do think that blue light glasses are pretty indispensable, but I already have some, so that's why I didn't choose them, but this style looks really cute. Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Pudding palette, worth $38. And I do like me some Beauty Bakery as well, and this palette looks really, really cute if you're looking for a neutral palette. The next item that I chose is the Hythe Tranquility Sleep Mist. I don't know what my deal is with pillow sprays and sleep mists, but I really do like them. I don't know if they actually do anything, but there's something that just, I don't know, seems a little bit peaceful to me before I go to bed. This has witch hazel, lavender oil, and rice water, and the mist is supposed to create a tranquil sleep environment, and it's worth $22. So other items that could have been chosen for you by FabFitFun are Nature Lab Tokyo Perfect Repair Treatment Mask, worth $16, or one of 2 room sprays from Stone Candles. They have Pumpkin Spice or Santal Noir, and they are each $36. I actually would have loved to have received one of those because I also love room sprays, and I think either one of those would have been really nice for fall, but this is the one that was chosen for me, and I'll still use it. This item is the Beauty Papier Golden Superfood Shower Gel. It says it's got a blend of golden superfood ingredients, and it's worth $30. It has a very nice light scent to it, but kind of creamy and warm at the same time. It says it's got pumpkin, argan, apricot, orange, and aloe vera. So it sounds like it's pretty nourishing as well. There are 2 other items that could have been chosen for you by FabFitFun. The first is from a brand called Ziggy and Morace. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. It's a pouch with a stripe going down it. It's shaped a little bit differently. It is $30. The other is the Beauty Crop Glow Milk in Blind Date, worth $19.50. So I chose for my next item this Bakier Tote. It's kind of a neoprene fabric, but it's feather light. I mean, super, super light. So if you carry heavy loads, this would be really great for that. And on the inside, there's a zipper pocket and then 2 slip pockets on the opposite side. Now these accents that are on either side of the bag, these little zip accents here, are just for show. They don't open up to anything. And I do use leather totes a lot, so this kind of threw me off a little bit, but there's something to having a super, super lightweight tote. And I know anytime we go on any kind of a trip, we're always getting out totes like this for various things. So this will definitely come in handy. And that retails for $128. Now the other items that you could choose from in this category are the Bakier New York Trigger Backpack, that's $100. The Foxy Bay 25mm black curling wand with a rose gold barrel, worth $99. Stila Stay All Day waterproof liquid eyeliner and the huge extreme lash mascara, and that duo is worth $45. There's a really, really cute Uncommon James set of 2 copper canisters worth $49. I almost got that, but I really just didn't need them. The Sasha Joanne, I have no idea if I'm pronouncing that correctly, styling cream and finishing cream duo worth $65. I have really liked a lot from that brand as well. And the Mia Melange foldable cotton basket, really, really cute, black and white, worth $60. So they claim that in this box, depending on what you chose, the total value would be anywhere from $214 to $544. Based on what I chose, my products are worth $483 in total. So with all of my videos, I don't just give you the total value of what's in my box, I also tell you the value of the items that I think I'll be keeping. The 2 products that I'm most excited about in this box are the scarf again and the bracelet that I have on. Either one of those alone pays for the box because they're both worth way more than the $49.99 cost of the box. And I mean, even if you wanted to just give that scarf or the tote or the bracelet to someone as a gift, you would more than pay for your box. Now, in looking over everything, when I look at the contents of this box, I have far less beauty items than I usually have, but that's one of the things that I like about Fabfitfun. If I'm on beauty product overload, I can go with more lifestyle type products or products I think I'll gift or whatever, but they're full size. I don't have a lot of sample size products sitting around waiting to be used or thrown away. So the only 2 products that I have here that I really feel kind of questionable about are this glass water bottle and the antioxidant shower gel. Not that I won't use this, I'm just not sure if I'll use it up unless I really just happen to love it. And I'm still just not sure what I'm going to use this for. And even taking these 2 out, my box is worth $418. Fabfitfun went to a 100% recycled box this season. And depending on your selections, your box could be bigger or smaller. It doesn't mean that you got a lesser box if your box is smaller. It just depends on the products that you chose. One of the things that I do love about Fabfitfun is that they're really dedicated to supporting female entrepreneurs. Most of the brands that they include are female founded brands, and they always partner with a charity. The charity this month is No Kid Hungry, and you can read more about it in here. And the theme this month for the box was Gather the Good. And I do feel like I had a nice gathering of good products in this month's box. I hope you enjoyed this Fabfitfun fall unboxing. I always love doing them with you. I love going through and seeing the products that are picked for me and seeing what the products I picked actually look like in real life. If you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you here on a regular basis. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.